Good morning, students. This is regarding your assignment. I'll be sharing this script with you so that you could use it and you can play with it. Okay, but while submitting, please include your real values. Okay, I'll show you how to do the script. Okay, so here the name and roll number. As I have typed, please give your full name with your roll number. Okay, so here are the details that we have discussed in the class. I have converted it into text and have shown it here. This is for your information. Okay, so this will contain every other details that we have discussed in the class. Okay, so I have followed the book called the Conceptual Design of Aircraft by Raymer. Okay, so every single value is taken from that book. Then here are the W by S and W naught value which you might have obtained earlier. Okay, so the W by S will be taken from the constraint diagram, where the W naught you might have estimated from your weight estimation. Okay, so for your information I have given the comments also. Okay, so we will be designing the wing in the we'll be designing the plan form of the wing. Okay, so this will not include the aerofoil selection. Okay, so here are some notes that you have to know before choosing the values. Okay, so here this max is nothing but maximum Mach number. Okay, this will be based on your design. Okay, so after that it is type of aircraft. Okay, so if you don't want to see all this code, okay, if you just want to experiment with the results and you don't care about the code, you just see here there will be a hide code button. Okay, just click on it and all the codes will be disappeared, so you will be concentrating only on learning. Okay, but keep your data with you. Okay, so this is how it will look when you hide the code. Okay, so it will be easier for you to type. Okay, and experiment with your values. So here is the value of maximum Mach number that you can decide based on the based on your requirement, and below this is a drop down menu where you can choose different type of aircrafts. Okay, since we are experimenting and I am following the book called Conceptual Design by Raymer, so these are the major categories where the aspect ratio is given. Okay, so you can choose any of the one. Based on this, the system will choose the aspect ratio by itself. The code has been already written in the background. Okay, then the sweep angle. Okay, so this sweep angle you don't have to do anything, because based on your Mach number the sweep angle will be automatically calculated. Okay, so I'll just want to explain the code behind it. Actually you can see the trend line here. Okay, so this is the value of leading edge sweep in degrees with respect to maximum Mach number. I have converted this diagram into a I have digitized this image and I have took the values of Mach number and the corresponding leading edge sweep, and using the curve fit tool I have defined an equation for this curve which is third degree polynomial. So I have used it to estimate the sweep angle. All you have to do is just choose the Mach number. Okay, so based on the Mach number your sweep angle will be calculated instantly. Okay, so if you can see approximately till Mach number 0.5 the sweep angle will be 0. Okay, the same assumption I have made. Then the sweep angle will be keep on increasing based on your Mach number, and I have limited the Mach number to 1.2. okay, using this slider, so that no rough values or unnecessary values will be given and the diagram will look bad. Okay, so I have limited it to Mach number 1.2. Then the taper ratio, so you have to choose the taper ratio between your sweep angle. Okay, so as you know, when the Mach number increases the sweep angle also increases. So based on the sweep number you can choose the taper ratio for your aircraft. Okay, so you can use the same slider. The value will range between 0 to 1. The maximum value will be 1, and the final value will be the first value, initial value will be 0, and the maximum number will be 1. Okay, so you don't have to click run here. Once you chosen your taper ratio, the code will run automatically. Okay, just see, I'll change. You can see the code is running right now, and your diagram updates automatically. Okay, so please make these calculations for your problem, and you can go to save, export to PDF, and save it as PDF, and you can mail it to me. Okay, if you don't want to see the code, you can hide the code, but while saving as PDF, please make sure that you include the code also. Okay, you can either go for inline output or output at the right hand side. Inline output will be better. Okay, you will understand it better, so go with inline output so that you can see the output below your code. Okay, so once you are exporting, please make sure that you will either go for inline output or output on the right hand side. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can definitely ask me. I'll